In the Ciena 6500 operations room, the team treated the NTK538BM with a kind of respect usually reserved for revenue-generating executives. It was only a single-slot circuit pack, yet it held the kind of influence that changed deployment plans, repair schedules, and late-night troubleshooting calls. Maya, the network engineer, had a practical view of prestige. She did not care for labels or marketing claims unless they survived a live network. The NTK538BM arrived on her bench on a Tuesday, plain, compact, and unassuming. 10 10G client ports on one side, one 100G coherent line on the other, and the promise that 10 separate tributaries could be combined into a single CWDM-free, metro-ready wavelength with WaveLogic 3 precision. The project looked routine until it was not. A regional transport ring had outgrown its original design, and a repair had to be completed without adding a new shelf or disrupting the service window. The pressure was commercial, not theoretical. Every extra minute of downtime had a cost attached, and every extra piece of hardware meant another approval, another truck roll, another delay. Maya slid the card into the platform and watched the diagnostics come alive. The 10 client circuits were not glamorous, but they were busy, profitable, and unforgiving. Each one represented a customer, a SLA, and a manager waiting for a reassurance email. The muxponder took them in calmly, without drama, and mapped them into one coherent line signal as if it had been built for this exact problem. Her junior technician asked why this small card mattered so much when larger gear existed. Maya answered without looking up from the console. Because large equipment solves large problems only after you make room for them. This one solves the problem where it lives. What made the NTK538BM valuable was not only density. It was flexibility under pressure. In one slot, the team could aggregate 10 10G services, preserve a cleaner footprint, and extend capacity across metro and regional distances with a 100G optical trail that fit the existing architecture. For operators balancing cost, space, and resiliency, that combination was the difference between managing growth and reacting to it. Then came the twist. The fault they feared was not in the line at all. One of the upstream client feeds had been intermittently misbehaving, and the muxponder exposed it immediately. The card that had been brought in to restore confidence became the tool that revealed the hidden weakness. The issue was isolated, the service restored, and the repair narrowed before it could spread. By the end of the shift, the room was quieter, the alarms were clear, and the coffee had gone cold. Maya logged the result in the change record with the kind of summary that makes managers sleep better and engineers trust the system more. The NTK538BM had not simply passed the test.